Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I want to be teaching us how to place your withdrawal on Bolo Up. In case you've reached 100 points and you really want to withdraw your money, you cannot wait to withdraw it. It's very simple. Just come with me. I shall show you how to place your withdrawal. So first of all, you need to just go to your me. Okay, you click on me, you take you here where you see your diamond. Okay, this diamond is your points, which is your money, your dollars. You can see. So me, I don't have much. I don't have up to 100. I just want to use opportunity to teach us how to place withdrawal. Okay, I've already placed withdrawal. I didn't do video on that, but I am trying to video on. I just want to show us how it is, how it's looking like. It's not difficult at all. The only thing is that it will take you some few working hours to get to your bank account or to your wallet. So now click on diamond. Okay, click on diamond. So once you click on diamond, we have to bank, we have to trade, we have to exchange. Let me simply explain what it is, what it means by to bank or to trade or to exchange. It simply means where do you want your money to go, either to your bank account, to your trade, or to exchange. To bank is to your bank now, either to your wallet or to your bank account. That's Nigerian currency if you're in Nigeria. And to your wallet simply means to your either Bybit, Binance, whichever wallet you are using, which is coming in as same dollar, because this particular diamond is in dollars. Okay, if you want it to be in dollars, you send it, you trade it to your Bybit, your wallet, to any wallet you're using of your choice. But if you want it to your Nigerian account, you can click on it and take it to take you to your Nigerian account. But mine will not work now because I've already put it. I want my payment to be going to my wallet, which I want it in dollars. I don't want it to be changed to naira. Okay, so if you want it to trade, just click on trade, which will be trading with an agent. If there's any agent, you can trade, but it has particular amount you can trade with. You cannot just trade with small. I think it's up to like 1,000. If you read the instructions here, which it says after the transfer, the user will receive diamond. The diamond can be used normally. Diamond trade is only supported for 100 diamond or more. You can only trade to an agent or coin seller, and 2% diamond fee will be charged for each diamond transfer. So that is it to trade. So to exchange also is just for you to exchange. Maybe you want to play games and you don't have money to buy coins. Simply you will just click on it. If it's 10,000 you want to exchange, you can just click on 10,000. Me, I'm not having up to that, that's why it's not showing. I usually exchange to play games when I don't have money to buy coins. So this is how. So diamond exchange for coin is always supported from 10 diamond or more, and they'll remove their charges, which is 8,800 rather. They'll give you, once you have up to 10,000, I want to remove 10,000 to exchange from diamond to coins, which you'll be using to play games or to gamble. You can remove 10,000, they'll be giving you 9,200 coins that you can use. So that is not what we're talking about today. The main purpose of this video is to tell us how to place your withdrawal. You want to cash out, you cannot just wait to cash out your money. Make sure you watch this video to the end. So what you just simply do is for you to type on method. It will bring you method, you put your bank. Okay, in case you have not filled it from the beginning, you're a newbie, just click on this bank, click on account, the method you want to use, just click on Nigerian account if it's Nigerian account. Mine is not popping up because I've already used USDT. I want it to go as dollar. I don't want Nigerian currency. So then this place that they will tell you account, this way to put your account number. Okay, your active account number, put it there and just put the amount. You just click on the maximum. If it's all, you click on maximum. Mine is not clicking because it's not up to what I'm supposed to withdraw. So you click on all, they will show you, then you read the instructions. Okay, then you just click on withdraw. If you click on withdraw, it will take you to where you'll be seeing they'll just give you a notification, and they'll tell you when it will be dropping. It's not dropping immediately. So don't say, I'm scared, I don't know where my money went to. No, your money did not go to anywhere. Your money is just on the way, it's processing. Okay, it's just on Popo app that as soon as you click for withdrawal, within 5 minutes it will be, you just receive alert. But on this app you need to wait for a while, so just be patient while they process it. if for instance now you do it now, within let's say 24 hours you will get, or 24 hours plus you will get your alert. So don't be scared, anytime you do it you get your alert. So thank you so much guys. Keep doing your live streaming, make sure you always do your task. So if you're gathering your points, gathering your diamond, and if it's mining to back always. And the best way to make more money on this app is just for you, in every live streaming app, it's just for you to be playing games. Make sure you don't stop playing games, because that's when your 100 points will be completing every time. Because if you just depend on only playing games, sorry, if you just depend on only doing your task, it will take a long time before your diamond will complete 100. So I just hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next video. I love you.